Hello friends, myself Ajay Eknath Chaudhary and I have completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering. This is an original video for today's date 26th March 2022 and today's topic is collection, stack and queue in Java. So first of all, stack. Stack is a linear data structure in which we can insert and delete only from one side of the list is called top. A stack follows the LIFO, that is last in first out principle, that is the element inserted at the last is first element to come out, and the insertion of the element into stack is called as push operation, and deletion of the element from the stack is called as a pop operation. In stack we are always keep track of the last element present in the list with the pointer called top. Queue. Now queue. A queue is a linear data structure in which elements can be inserted from only one side of the list called rear, and the element can be deleted only from the other side, that is called front. The queued data structure follows FIFO, that is first in first out principle. That is element inserted from at the first in the list is the first element to be removed from the list. The insertion of the element in a queue is called as a NQ operation, and deletion of the element is called as a DQ operation. In queue we always maintain two pointer. One is pointing towards the element which was inserted at the first and still present in the list with the front pointer, and second pointer pointing to the element inserted at the last with the rear pointer. Now the next topic is collection. In Java, any group of individual object which are represented in a single unit is known as a collection of the object. In Java, a separate framework named the collection framework has been defined in JDK 1.2, which holds all the collection classes and interface in it. The collection framework, that is java.util.collection, and map interface, that is java.util.map, are the main two root interfaces of the Java collection. Now what is the framework in collection? Framework is a set of classes and interfaces which provides a ready-made architecture in order to implement new features of or a class. There is a need to define a framework. However, an optimal object-oriented design always includes the framework with a collection of classes such that all classes perform the same kind of tasks. Now, advantages of collections. The advantages, since the lack of collection framework gives the rise to the above set of disadvantages. The following are the advantages of the collection framework, that is consistent API. The API has a basic set of interference like collection, set, list or map. All classes that implements these interfaces have some common set of methods. Next is reduce of programming efforts. A programmer doesn't don't to worry about the design of the collection, but rather he can focus on its best to use in his programming. Therefore, the basic concept of object-oriented programming is of abstraction has been successfully implemented has to be successfully implemented. Next advantages is increase program speed and quality. It increases performance by providing high performance implementation of useful data structure and algorithm, because in this case the programmer need to think of the best implementation of program to be specified data structure. He can simply use the best type of implementation of destructively boost the performance of the algorithm or program. Now next advantages is topic for we discuss about the interfaces that extend the collection interference, that is iterable interference. This is the root interface of the entire collection framework. The collection of interface extend the iterable interface. Therefore, inherently, all the interface and classes implement this interface. The main functionality of this interface is to provide an iterator for the collection. Therefore, this interface contains only one abstract method which is iterator. It returns the value that can be implemented in it. So these are all about the collection, stack and queue in today's topic. So thank you for watching my video.